Hi, I'm Chad from Purple Collar Life. In today's video, I want to talk to you about an absolute game changer when it comes to traveling with all your Apple devices. As you can see, I'm currently in a hotel room right now. I'm traveling for work, and as is typical, I've got a lot of stuff to charge in the evenings when I'm back at the hotel room. So I've got my work phone, I've got my personal phone, I've got my Apple Watch, I've got my AirPods, I've got my iPad. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and this is typically what some counter space in my hotel room looks like, whether it's the nightstand beside the bed or the table or the credenza that the television sits on. Somewhere I have this mess of wires to charge all my devices when I'm back here at the hotel room. So let's talk through what all this stuff is, and I'm going to tell you what the game changer is that I just purchased, and already after 2 nights of stay, I can tell you I can't believe that I didn't come up with something like this sooner than now. All right, so let's talk about what we've got going on here. I've got a long cord that typically I attach to my iPad to get it charged up using a lightning cord. Then I've got this Apple Watch charger. So I use it for 2 things. First, I put my watch on it to get that charging up. But then the secondary thing I use it for, if my watch is charged and I don't need that space for that anymore, I use it for my AirPods. So you can see they wirelessly charge on the same charger that my Apple Watch charges to. Now, if my watch happens to be on this charger, then I need a USB-C connection for my AirPod Pros. So I use this cord for that. And then my work phone plugs into one of these short cables, and my personal phone either plugs into one of these cables, or about a year ago, I picked up one of these Anker chargers that allow you to just set the phone on the charger, which I really like, and it charges wirelessly that way. I do really like these Magsafe chargers. They attach really easily to your phone and wirelessly charge. I think this charges a lot faster than charging with this cord. Now that could be because this charger is limited to, you can see it's currently charging several things. It's charging my watch, it's charging my iPad, it's charging my AirPods. So there's a lot going on from that input charging all these devices. But I found that the phone charges much faster with the Anker MagSafe than it does when attached to a cord. Now, I will put an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you're just needing a phone charger that works really good, this is the one I recommend. So you can see it's the charge block or brick with a USB-C connection, and then the MagSafe charging piece. So this was a great upgrade about a year ago. Charges my phone much faster, and I like it better than plugging the cord into the bottom. Okay, now I want to show you what I got. This Anker MagGo that has forever changed the way I will travel, and you're going to see why in a second. So let's take all this stuff off of here. I've got my watch, got my AirPods, got my personal phone. We'll set my iPad aside, and we're going to set all these cords and wires aside and unplug that. So these are the 3 things, in addition to my iPad, that I struggle with all those cords and stuff every single night. And I saw this for sale on Amazon, and I'll put an Amazon affiliate link down below. If you watch this video and decide, yes, this is the perfect travel thing for me, which I think you will, I'd really appreciate if you'd use our Amazon affiliate link down below in the description. It won't cost you any more to buy this, but it will have Amazon send us a little bit of commission for sending you their way to find this product. So again, this is the Anker MagGo, and it says on the outside 15 watt max pocket size 3-in-1 charger, charging station, foldable 3-in-1 with charger and USB-C cable, 2 times faster, ultimate portability, MagSafe compatible. And I'll show you the back of the box here. But let's see what's on the inside So inside the box, take the case box top off. Here are the three components. We've got our brick, this pocket-sized 3-in-1 charger, and then the cord. So let's go ahead and take this out, take this out, and take this out. Take this rubber band off of here. And then you can see how quick it is to set up when you get to the hotel room. One USB-C into the charging brick, plug that in. Then the end of it goes into the Anker MagGo. This folds up. Underneath, this folds up. And you've got 3 places to charge. Magsafe charger here, wireless charger here, and watch charger here. So I'll take my watch and put it there, and if it needs charged, it'll start charging. I'll take my AirPods, put it there. Little ding tells me it's charging, and then I can take my phone, attach it right there. And I really like this. Look at that, for nighttime. Just think how perfect that is on the nightstand beside the hotel bed. You know exactly what time it is. If you have your alarm set, it tells you what time the alarm's set for. See, it's telling me the temperature. You can change that to different styles. I didn't know if you guys knew this about your iPhone or not, but there's lots of options here for what you want that display to look like at nighttime beside you. This is the one that I prefer. So let me show you from the side here what this all looks like. So again, spot for my watch, just magnetically sticks there, and then it'll tell you that it's charging. Spot for the AirPods, and they ding, and then your phone just magnetically sticks to it. So like I said, this is a travel game changer. Look how small this is. You've got one cord instead of all these ones. Now granted, I can't use this to charge my work phone and my iPad, so I'll have to find another solution for that. But this is so nice to pack easily and then sit beside me on the nightstand when I'm sleeping and have all these things charging with one cord. No mess. And look how compact it is to pack. This, just take all my stuff off of here. Fold this down under. Fold this flat. Take the cord off. And this is how much space this takes up in my suitcase now for charging the things I need most often, compared to all of this. Plus, remember, I always took this charger separate, so a lot of wires, a lot of cords. Much more simple, compact. Perfect solution. Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charger for your phone, your watch, and your AirPods. Hopefully you found this video informative and entertaining. If so, please give us a big thumbs up down below. Leave those comments if you think this is something that solves a travel problem for you. Those of you who watch the channel know that I do travel quite a bit, and this is a great in your suitcase solution and hotel solution to not have all those cords and wires.